Did you know that a sneeze can travel at speeds up to 100 miles per hour? That's right. When you feel that tickle in your nose, it's your body's way of ejecting irritants. But here's the fun part. Sneezes are powerful enough to propel droplets over 6 feet away. This is why covering your mouth when sneezing is so important. It's not just polite. It keeps germs from spreading. Interestingly, some people can't sneeze with their eyes open due to an involuntary reflex. And believe it or not, the word sneeze comes from the Old English term pheniosan. So next time you let one rip, remember, you're unleashing a mini-speed demon into the world.